times. I'm just like over my shoulder. And then when I'm cutting it. All right, good morning. So we are setting up. So I just have my assistant slash sister set up the backdrop, and there's just a little mini light, tripod. I just finished setting up the products table. So I'm gonna be taking some snapshots of that. We have not killing time, but we're just getting ready for the makeup artist. She'll be here any minute. Yeah, we're just getting ready. About to get this show on the road.
Because I know my angles, but other people take them from you. Girl, what you do?
I'm already recording you. Anyways, it's Allison.
What's up?
Tell them who you are.
No, I can't.
It's okay, it's just me.
My name is Allison, and I've known Ariel since like what, 9th grade?
9th grade, freshman year.
Yes, and we are here at her photo shoot.
Period. But yeah, Allison's about to do her makeup. She's gonna be first in line. And look at Ava. Ava wants some camera time. Look at this girl. And this is a 3 A's right here.
Ooh, triple threat. A's.
1, 2, 3. You like the camera? No.
Oh, look at her.
So yeah, I will do some behind the scenes when you start your makeup. Okay? Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later. And cover the lens. Cover the lens. See you later. Psh. How'd you go get a vlog? So you're gonna come sit.
Okay, I might be shy because I'm.
Girl, please. You'll be okay.
Should I take this off? Because I'm like,
Yeah. Yeah.
Two times on the beat, man.
Ariel.
Is this something that
Okay.
Allison!
What, girl?
You haven't seen yourself yet.
No.
Ooh, child.
Girl, I don't know what I'm looking like. Thank you.
So you're so pretty.
It's dirty now.
Oh, pretty.
But I'm nervous.
You're gonna be all up in yourself if you can't
It's a little dirty, but go. Oh my god!
Now you see.
Oh my god, I look like a totally different person. So you can purchase this at www.com. What's the Berryfae Beauty? This is okay. You can purchase this at just loading scarf at berryfaebeauty.com. Okay, period. Pooh.
Period, poo.
And then you want your edges laid? Here, get your edges laid, baby. Oh, you is so pretty. Wow.
Hey.
Look at you. Oh, you is so cute.
Take them both together like.
Ooh, period.
I really want to jump in the pool now.
Me too, I swear.
Pool party after? What y'all want to do? Oh, man. Oh, perfect. I bring a little bit of these, so I guess I could be like just sitting on the table. Oh, yeah.
Perfect, yeah.
Thank you to the camera.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was bad.
So we are 2 girls in currently on the photo shoot. We have 2 more to go and then me, and then yeah. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me on this journey. And yeah, Vanessa is over there killing it, honey. Y'all see Vanessa? She's a natural. We love it. Director says yes.
I feel like I'm a better director than
Yeah, I mean, I feel you.
These are girl be lit. You know, this is great. I gotta record this. I just gotta fix your under eye.
Sweaty.
Yeah, keep that leg, yeah, perfect. And then you twist shoulders towards me. Perfect.
Okay.
And then do the one.
Oh, with
Keep,
the...
that, keep this one down. And this up like you do. You gotta get some quick flash, quick forward. She's fine. I'm gonna get a full body back now.
Who went in front of the other or something? Oh, sorry.
Two times on the beat, man.
Apparently people wrote buy this.
Oh my God.
What just told me what?
We going somewhere.
Who? Y'all makeup done. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. You think I'm gonna do my own makeup and y'all walk around like this? I'm going to sleep.
No.
Times on the beat, man.
Oh, you can look at him.
Okay,
I know you take pictures too. Go ahead. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
I don't even know where it was. I really feel like y'all should laugh.
Especially when we get the ones.
Am I serious? One more time. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I was I'm trying to get y'all to smile. So get into this tea. Let me show y'all.
Thank you guys so much for watching my behind the scenes video. I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but I am a CEO of Berryfae Beauty. I could not have done this without any of the girls that you've seen in today's video. I am so grateful for all the support and the love and all the people who have purchased from my website so far. It's never too late to go ahead and begin supporting your local Black business. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below any nice encouraging words that you would like to leave for us. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.